Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Thursday, April 6th, 2023. We saw some selling kind of continue today in the morning, and once the S&P found got down to almost test the 50-day moving average on the hourly chart. That was kind of our support area. I wanted it to go a little bit lower, but as I've been explaining to a lot of the new people that have been here, we've been buying, we've been on the long side for quite some time here. And the bullish, bull friendly time period is, it's coming to an end. And so I want price to be perfect for new entries. As I said, we've been, we took, I think, five different, third positions where, we took a third, closed it, brought it back third. So we're doing really well. And I don't want to force feed a trade on you guys, just to get you in. Because right now, the bigger trade is most likely it's going to be to the downside, but it may not come for another week or two. So you want to be patient. If it comes back down, then and it holds the support, maybe buy then. But as I said, it's the easy trade I believe is gone. And even if you just look at, say, the wave structure here, where I don't really care about these little moves right here, that it really means nothing to me. But if we just look at this and go one, two, three, this is four, and now we're going to make a wave five. And as everybody knows, that's been with me for many years, is that you don't go long or short the fifth wave because there's going to be a big retracement from there once it completes. And this one, what we're looking for is that this is going to be an important top that comes, sometime in April. And I know we'll try to identify closer to the preferred date that we're going to be looking for. But it's always been that we're looking for strength into April, and we're here now. And it's a, that's why I'm saying that you want to be patient on this and wait for the perfect setups, because that's the way it is. You don't have to be in a trade every day, every week. You sometimes have to wait a couple weeks, but then you sit there and you get it, and you're getting a 5%, 10%, 6% move on the S&P, but when trading the SSO, you're up 12 or 13%. So that's what I'm saying. You don't need to do, have a whole lot of trades in there. You do 10 of those, and you're making more than probably most money managers. So patience is definitely a big key on this. So let's get going with this. Right now, the Bears, they're going to need to get it through the lows to 40.70. If they do that, then we're looking at a move down to the 40.41, possibly 40.15. These would be my buy areas if you're looking to put new money to work. If the Bulls can take out these highs here at the 41.33, I believe that there's going to be a reaction trade all the way up to the 4,200 level, where I do believe there's going to be sellers waiting. We come back, test support, and then all of these sellers that are up here, believing that this market can never go higher, are going to be used as short fuel to drive the market up to the 4,300. That's the preferred pattern. Does it mean it has to play out like that? No, it does not. But it makes sense just because we're not really seeing any extreme bullish sentiment readings. We're not there's nothing that's euphoric about this. If anything, there's a lot more people that are more pessimistic. So until they look to be a little more optimistic about this market, there's a chance that we just kind of keep grinding higher like we're doing, and nobody believes it. But once everybody starts to believe it, that's when we're going to roll over, because nothing's fixed. Absolutely nothing is fixed, and it's going to get worse. But it doesn't mean that the market can't go higher, and that's why, yes, we've been saying, you just concentrate on the 4 to 8 week time period. Let the ones that are looking for a new bull or bear market, let them fight it out. As we just turn around and make 100, 200, 300 S&P points, every month. So that's really about all I have. You can see here on the daily chart, we have the moving averages that are starting to cross right here. So this is going to be major support. And, that's what the Bears are going to have to get through, or else the Bulls are going to continue to try. So with that, markets are closed tomorrow. Enjoy your long weekend, and I will talk to you guys on Sunday.